Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 21, solving a riddle. Lesson number 2, finding new words. Keywords are scaly, grip, swallow, stroll, stung. Yes children, we have learnt poem Guess Who. Yes children, in our reader page number 130. So we got in this poem so many new words children. Okay, so let us see what are the new words children with the meaning. Okay, if new word came, you don't know the meaning, then you will not understand it better. To understand better, we should know the exact meaning of that word. Let us see. Scaly, covered with scales, is called scaly children. Grip, to hold something with control. Swallow, to take in through the mouth. Stroll, take a walk. Stung, affected painfully. Yes children, in your reader page number 130, guess who? This poem is there children. In the poem there are some words given in bold children. Those words are new words for us. Yes children, for these words only we have to find out the meaning and we have to make sentences with them also. Okay children? Yes children, all of you all open your workbook children, page number 26. Write the date here children. S2, finding new words. Children, first bit is find the new words from the poem Guess Who and fill in the table. Here we have to write the new words. Here we have to write the meaning. How did you find them? Children, at present we are not there in our classroom children. So teacher is helping you to find them. Yes children, teacher helped you. And with the help of reader also, we have known the meaning of those words. So in this column you can write teacher or reader. Okay children, let us write. I will write and I will show you children. Okay, let me explain you first. Question number 2. Make sentences with any 3 words from the table. Any 3 words from this above table we have to take and we have to make sentences. Okay children, as we are doing earlier, like that only we have to do children. Now bit number 3. Find and write the meanings of the words. Scaly, whole. These 2 words we have to write the meaning. Teacher will tell you children. Okay. Covered with scales, meaning how did you find them? Teacher helped you or from the reader. Okay children, like this you have to write. Grip, to hold something with control. Now I am holding my pencil now children. This is grip. Okay, so here how did you find them? Teacher or reader you can write. Swallow, to allow something to pass down the throat. When you eat food, what you will do after chewing the food? You will swallow. Okay children. Stroll, take a walk. Stung, to get, sorry children, to affect painfully. Okay. This is the meaning, new words. Now we have to take 3 words and we have to write sentences. The skin of the snake is scaly. Okay, you have to underline this word. Okay. His grip is very strong. So grip you have to underline. I can swallow food. Swallow you have to underline. Now here these 2 meanings we have to write. Scaly means, as you all know, covered with scales. Whole, all of something. It is not half children, it is full. Okay, whole. Everything. Okay, it's called whole of something. Till here clear children? Yes children, all of you all take out your classwork, write down the date and write down meanings, underline the subheading children. First one, grip, to hold something tight. Second one, scaly, covered with scales. Third one, stroll, a slow or easy walk. Fourth one, stung, made a tiny hole in the skin that causes pain. Fifth one, swallow, to allow something to pass down the throat. Okay children, this meanings with the help of reader also you can write down children. Reader page number 131 we are having. Okay, glossary they have given as meaning and make sentence also. Okay children, thank you. Meet you in the next class.